Hmm. Hey, I'm back. And I'm excited to start this cleanse during this first full moon of the spring. And I'm going to end it on the new moon. So I've decided I'm only going to do a 10-day juice cleanse and then the 7-day CKLS cleanse. The colon, kidney, liver, spleen cleanse. I'm going to do that for 7 days. So for a total of 17 days. Well, if anybody follows me on social media, they know that 6 months ago I did a 60-day juice cleanse. And it changed my life in ways that I didn't really understand. Yes, I lost weight and I regained mobility as a result of that extensive cleanse. But in these 6 months since then, I went back to eating foods that I thought I'd missed out. And I've learned that I really lost the desire and the joy that I found in eating most of those foods that I ate before the cleanse. See, I went back to drinking wine and eating out, not as frequently, but still, I felt like it was a treat to eat out. And I was eating foods that I felt I'd missed while I was on the cleanse, breads, pizzas, etc. And of course, I've regained some of the weight, but I also delayed the complete healing of my skin and other inner organs. I mean, the reason that my skin is reacting the way it is because something inside is not right. So I gotta focus so that I can heal myself more completely. And I came to understand that I wasn't really missing those foods or the wine. I was missing the people and the experiences that I shared those foods and drinks with. So in and of themselves, the food and wine had kind of lost their appeal. It was just interesting to learn that. I've also become sensitive to the fact that restaurant foods are high in sodium and sugars. And my reaction is I noticed that my face is puffy the next day. So even the healthy vegan restaurants that I go out to, I found a puffiness that I don't have when I'm eating what I prepare for myself. So I did the CKL's cleanse in 2009 on the first time. And then I did it again in 2017. And in 2017, I thought, I'm not doing this again. But here I am in 2023 preparing for it once again. They say third time's a charm. So we'll see, because this time I'm going to stay true to my body's needs. And today I'm starting with 10 days of fresh juice. 10 days should be easy compared to that 60 days that I did last year from Independence Day to Labor Day. And then after the 10 days, like I said, I'm going to do the 7 days of the CKLS cleanse for my very own 17-day juice and CKLS spring cleaning cleanse. I'm clearing out most of the junk that I put back into my system. And I'm coming to terms with my current situation and embracing who I am and what is to come in the future. I'm grateful to be alive and to discover what my body needs as I navigate this thing called life. Here's to health that comes with self-discovery. And as DavidAArnold used to say, this living ain't for the weak. Get yourself one of these things they call a juice cleanse or whatever you're dealing with, because it ain't for the weak. So today's juice, I'm starting with a Supernova Slom's Lymphatic Flush. It's got ginger, parsley, garlic, carrots, celery, and I added a little turmeric because I had some left. So I was like, turmeric never hurts. I may not post these videos for each day of this cleanse, but I'm definitely going to record myself drinking that olive oil and lemon juice on Tuesday the 18th. I'm not sure if it's going to be alive yet, but stay tuned. On Tuesday the 18th, it will be the new moon, and I will be drinking 16 ounces of olive oil and lemon juice. Wish me luck.